America's military losses continue to mount. A U.S. service member has been killed in northern Iraq while disposing of unexploded ordnance from a downed Iranian Shahed drone. Another soldier was injured. The latest casualty pushes the U.S. military death toll in the conflict to 17 as fighting with Iran intensifies across the region. The fatal incident came just a day after 2 American troops were killed in an Iranian drone and missile attack on a U.S. base in Jordan. CENTCOM says unidentified remains have also been recovered from the attack site and are being examined. The growing casualties highlight the widening risks facing U.S. forces across the Middle East. Iran's Shahed drones continue to challenge the U.S. military despite being intercepted. Built at a fraction of the cost of advanced American air defense missiles, the drones can still prove deadly even after being shot down. The latest U.S. casualty shows how unexploded drone ordnance remains a serious battlefield threat.
And so we lost people in Jordan after there was a strike. A missile got through. We shot down almost all the missiles. One leaked through, hit the wrong place, and tragically, and it's heartbreaking. And our hearts go out to these families. These are heroes that pay the ultimate price. We also lost a service member in Iraq unrelated to combat. They were decommissioning a munition, and an accident happened in that process when they were harmed. But look, our military all over the world, especially in that part of the world, but all over the world every single day, do very dangerous things. We've had people who lost their lives in training missions. Nothing the military does is safe. It's all inherently dangerous. And we're just grateful to have such heroic Americans in uniform in the service of our country.
As Washington confirmed another military death, the conflict continued to spread. The U.S. launched fresh strikes inside Iran, while Tehran claimed drone attacks on American military assets in Kuwait. Bahrain and Jordan also activated air defenses as missiles and drones targeted U.S.-linked positions across the Gulf. The latest casualty comes as the fragile U.S.-Iran ceasefire has completely collapsed. Fighting has expanded across Iran, Iraq, Jordan, and the Gulf, turning the confrontation into a wider regional conflict. With American losses rising, Iran's drone campaign continues to increase the costs of Washington's military operations.